energetic and balanced, energetic and balanced, energetic and balanced. So, oh, that was a burp. That was a burp. I'm gonna burp in your ears, folks. Today, I'm showing you some awesome thing that I do to keep myself healthy and happy. And there's something in it for you. A little bit of a free giveaway for everybody. So watch to the end for that. I'll give you a hint. You get some of this for free. If you've heard any podcasts, you've heard about Athletic Greens. And they are not a sponsor, but they have this referral code where you can get some for free. But let me share with you this awesomeness. I get the travel packs. Ooh, there we go. I like to get the travel packs because the travel packs, they're easier to use. Here we go. You get 30 of these. There's 75 really high-end stuff. Like, they got spirulina. They got inulin, which is a prebiotic. They have probiotics too. Lactobacillus acidophilus, bifidobacterium, bifidum. So lactobacterium and bifidobacterium. Some really good lactic acid probiotics. Over 7 billion CFUs, which is pretty good. You take this every day. Apparently, probiotics, they do not stay in your gut, but if you take them every day, then it doesn't really matter because they're in your gut all the time. It's got a ton of nutrients, a bunch of different stuff, vitamins, nutrients, pretty awesome shit. When I take this, my body rejoices. Like the first time I took it, my body got like really happy. Like there's this glowing feeling in my tummy. Don't really know how else to describe it. I take this every day, and it gives me energy. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel really good. It makes me energetic and balanced. And it tastes pretty good too. I'm going to shake some of this up. Give me a moment. I find a blender bottle is perfect for this. Always close your knives. Use about 10 ounces of water or so. 10, it says 8 to 12. I usually use somewhere around 10. I love blender bottles. I'm going to link to a blender bottle in the description. I get a little commission if you buy it, but you don't pay any extra. I don't know how to describe the taste. It's kind of sweet. I put some stevia and then some like apple juice concentrate and some stuff. It's got a ton of vitamins, ton of B vitamins. Over 100% on a lot of them. Vitamin A, vitamin C, E, thiamine, riboflavin, which is vitamin B2 and B1, niacin, which I think is vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, biotin, which is vitamin B7, pantothenic acid, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, chromium, sodium, and potassium. There's like bark powders, slippery elm bark powder, kelp whole plant powder, carrot root powder, green tea extract, lycium berry fruit extract, rosemary leaf extract, hawthorn berry extract, bromelain, which is the stuff in pineapples that is good for tenderizing meat. It's a good enzyme. It's all plant-based too, so if you are vegan or vegetarian, then this is okay for you. And it's actually amazing. So I love how it makes me feel. There's a code. I'm going to pop it up on the screen and also have it in the description. Like somewhere in this free space, there's going to be like a code. If you use that code, follow that link, whatever, you get 5 free travel packs. I don't know if shipping is free or not. I'm going to put also that on the video so you can see whether shipping is free or not. But pick up a blender bottle. I'm going to put a good one in the description. They're pretty awesome. And I would very much suggest you get some of this. I prefer the travel packs because they're so easy to use. They also can give you a bag, and if you do a subscription, they give you this really nice ceramic. Actually, let me just show you one. Here we go. I put my matcha in here because I don't use it for athletic greens anymore. This is what they give you for when you're doing the subscription. It's pretty cool shit. And this is my matcha. And they give you this really nice, this is ceramic, by the way. Like, it's legit. It's really fucking legit, and it's ceramic. This is not what it looks like. This is matcha. It looks green. Matcha is like a little more, matcha is like full of chlorophyll. So like that's bright, deep, earthy green, if that makes any sense, because that sounds contradictory. But this is like a nice ceramic thing with bamboo top. They give you this if you do a subscription, so that you just take the bag of powder and pour it in here. But yeah, just get those free 5 travel packs. I get a benefit too. If you end up becoming a customer, then I get $15 off my next one, which is awesome because I love this shit and I buy it all the time. So it's just kind of like free $15 for me, which helps me put more energy into content. But it's also freaking awesome as shit for you because you get 5 free travel packs, and they usually are like even though this is a subscription, each one is like a little over $3 because the whole thing with shipping and everything and tax was like $110. So like it's almost $4 per. So that's like, and that's a subscription. So they're lowering the cost because they can lower the margin since they know I'm coming back. So that's like, say $5 each. That's about right. $5 each if it's not on the subscription, and times 5 is like $25 free dollars for you. Or for me, if you take 5 of these, then it's like whatever 110 divided by 6 is. It's almost $20. But the thing is, like, that's not how much it would be for you, because I have subscription, so they lower the cost for me. But yeah, it's like at least $20 to $25 worth of athletic greens that you get for free. It's pretty freaking cool. So yeah, so check it out. I think you'll love it, and I think it'll help you live more freely and have wide breadth and depth and become an awesome Renaissance man. Cheers, bye.